So cool, right? Look at that. How cool are those? Freaking, I love them. So if you pull the little two down when it's not time yet, kabam kaboodles 2021. And if you want to say goodbye to 2021, you just pull on this one like that, so it covers the number 1. Look at that, right? How freaking cool is that, right? So yeah, a happy new year to all of you. Thank you so much to support me all those years, especially this hard year. Enjoy your New Year Eve, and I wish you everybody the best, okay? If you want to see how I made this video, definitely keep an eye out on my channel, because yeah, I will definitely post it after New Year, because I was a little bit late to film this because I was not good at all. I'm still in a lot of pain, but hey, I was able to make this for you guys, so I really hope you enjoy it. Definitely let me know what you think about it, okay? And let me know if you are excited to see how I made this set, okay? I hope you are ready, because here is the special glow in the dark effect. Are you ready? Are you really ready? Are you really ready? There we go. Bam! Look how nice, right? That is so freaking cool. So when it is 12 o'clock, girl, when it is dark, people are still gonna notice you, right? Really cool if you ask me. Really happy with the result. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I love you all, guys. Mwah! Happy New Year. Bye-bye. Did you already subscribe to my channel? Don't forget to do it if you like the video, and also don't forget to bump the little thumbs up, okay?